Life can change drastically in just 3 years, let alone 5. Unexpected challenges such as car repairs, medical expenses, or even the need for a new roof can arise. Often, these expenses can't wait and may not fit into your existing financial plan. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a structured plan that allows you to manage and potentially reduce your debt through court approval, with the ultimate goal of becoming debt-free in 3 to 5 years. What happens if an unexpected expense or an emergency occurs during this process? How can you address these challenges with staying on track with your Chapter 13 plan? My name is Chelsea, and I'm one of our analysts here to help people better understand their debt relief options. Today, I'll cover how unexpected expenses, often referred to as post-petition debts, are handled in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. What is a Chapter 13? Here's a quick overview. Chapter 13, often called the wage earners bankruptcy, is a plan designed for individuals who don't qualify for Chapter 7 due to high household income, maybe you had a prior filing, maybe you even have high-valued assets that look like they're going to be at risk if you were to go through a Chapter 7. When you file, all debts incurred before the filing date are referred to as pre-petition debts. These are addressed in your plan. However, debts incurred after your filing are called post-petition debts. These can be more complicated to manage. These debts are generally not included in the original plan and often require court approval to address. Can you take on new debt during Chapter 13? In most cases, taking on new debt is discouraged. But life happens. Emergencies like car repairs or medical bills may leave you with no choice. Here's what you need to know. Court approval is key. If you anticipate taking on new debt, you'll need to seek approval from the court. This usually involves submitting an application to borrow money or amending your plan to account for the new expense. Without approval, the trustee may argue that you're not using all of your available income to pay down your existing debts, potentially putting your case at risk of dismissal. In some situations, you may be able to amend your payment plan to accommodate the new debt. For example, the court could allow a reduced payment to the trustee temporarily, enabling you to allocate funds for the unexpected expense. Another option is to request permission to keep a tax refund or use funds from a sale of personal assets to cover this expense. Judges are often receptive to these requests, especially when the expense is unavoidable. If the court denies your request to include the new debt in your plan, you still have options. You might explore converting your case to Chapter 7, which could discharge your debt completely. However, this may depend on your income level and the value of your assets. You could also dismiss your Chapter 13 case and refile to include the new debt, though this approach does require careful consideration. Here's the big picture. While it's not ideal to take on new debt during a Chapter 13 plan, there are procedures in place to help you navigate unexpected challenges. Open communication with your attorney and trustee are crucial. Whether it's requesting a loan, adjusting your plan, or exploring alternative solutions, you can often find a path forward while staying on track with your bankruptcy plan. If you have questions about Chapter 13 or any other debt relief options, we are here to help. Please call us at 833-272-3631 to speak with one of our team members today.